Hey partners, so my name is Sam, and in this video I will explain you the backend of the funnel. It's all on the WordPress and it's very easy to edit, so you can make changes yourself. And to access this, the first thing you need to do is to log in into your WordPress account, and then you will see the backend. It will look like this. So we have the dashboard here, the post and the pages, all the funnel which we have created. It's all working in the pages section. So all you need to do is to click in the pages and you will see the all pages right here. And then you need to edit these pages by using edit using the page layer. So you will be clicking on the page layer, and if I go here in the pages section, and all you need to do is to just edit using the page layer. So you just right click on it and open in the new tab. So it will open this page here, like the join now page is here. So to edit the things here, all you need to do is if you wanted to replace the code of your opt-in here, you just go and click on it, and on the right corner you will see this box, this small box. Just go and click on it, and then you will see the section open here. So it's just asking for your HTML code of the opt-in which you have created, might be in the get response. So you need to change your get response the opt-in code here. So you just replace the code here, and then your opt-in will be there. And the second thing you need to do here is, if you would like to change the text of this content, so just go and click on it, and you can see the option to change the content here. So you can just make the changes from here, and the editor will be here. And if you wanted to change this picture, just go and click on it, and then you will see the same thing here, like this section, and you will have the option to upload your own image, and you can delete this one and you can upload your own from here. If you want to make the changes in the header, just go and click on this one, and then you will have an option to edit this content as well. You have the editor here, and you can make the changes right here. So the same things goes on the other pages as well. We have the about us page here, so where you can make the changes in this code. If you wanted to make a changes here in your the partner ID, just go and click on it, and just go here into this same one, and now you can change your partner ID here. If you wanted to make the changes in the text here also, we have the pop-up text, so you can make the changes here also, and the text will be replaced with the same. And I would suggest you to make the changes in the text, so the Google will see your website as a new website, because the Google and the Bing and the other search engines, they prefer the real content and the original content. If you having the same content on your website, it might be possible that you will get the bad notice and the notifications from Google, and maybe you will not get the love of the search engine optimization, and you will not get the enough traffic from the Google and the other search engines. So I will recommend you to make these changes, and just rephrase these words, or you can write in your own words. And the same things goes here. If you wanted to change this picture, you just go and click on it, and you will have an option to make the changes in this picture. If you want to change this header, the content, you just need to go and click on it, and you will have this editor right here to make the changes. So it's very easy to make the changes. You never need to deal with any kind of code. You are not dealing with any kind of code while making the changes on this funnel. And you can you can also place the pictures of your team. If you wanted to keep us here, so you can keep our pictures here as well, and you can just add your as an extra. For example, if you wanted to remove this picture, the one of your partner, you can just go and click on it, and you will have an option to upload your own picture. So maybe you can just delete this, and you can have the new pictures here from here. You can just go in upload and can upload your picture, and can select it, and can have this here. So we have done some changes, but we still not click the update, so the update's not gonna save here. If you will make the changes, just make sure you click the update, because if you click the update, the changes will get updated on this page. The same things goes to the next pages. If you wanted to make a changes in this video, you wanted to replace this video, you can just go here and can change the link of the YouTube video, or maybe the Vistia, or some other prefer the one which you like. Okay, if you want to make the changes in the text, just click on it. You have an option to edit it as well. Okay, if you wanted to make your link here, you can do it from here as well. And the second thing, like the contact page, I would suggest you to change the details here as well. Like you can just go here and can make the changes, okay, with your country, your phone number, so your leads can get in touch with you. You can just make it like on the top, so it's going on the top. Like if you wanted to place, okay, this initial on the right, you can just move in the right. You wanted to make changes in the contact number, just go in the heading and you can change it from here. Same things goes here, and you can just like change the location and the details from here. Okay, and if you wanted to make the update, okay, just click the update and it will be updated. So it's super easy to change the things here, and you don't need to mess around with code because it's like the WordPress, so it's very easy to use as well, and it will get ranked in SEO as well. And if you need any more assistance, you can get in touch with the moderator of our forum, like the Forsage Partners forum, and they will help you to get things ready. Okay guys, see you, bye, and take care, and let's crush it.